Next one is from Frisk. So I'll pass over to Nick, who is CEO at Frisk.
Fantastic. Thanks, Justin. Greetings from the beautiful city of churches, Little Adelaide. My name is Nick Kervin. I'm the CEO at Frisk. We're an Australian company that started in 2008 in South Australia, and we provide enterprise with the ability to get deeper insights into their structured and unstructured data to support more informed decisions. Next slide, please. So today I'd like to discuss how getting access to the right information is critical to reducing process risk. In my career, I've seen many process maps, and many process maps have diamonds in them, and those diamonds represent a decision point. And to reduce risk and improve efficiencies, having the right information at that decision point is quite critical, and I'll show you how Frisk can help solve that problem. Next slide, please. Many of you would have seen similar diagrams to this, which is a sea of data in all different types and forms. What I'd like to just highlight here is that what we've represented below the top of the mountain is an array of unstructured and structured data sources. And typically, a lot of organisations focus on the plumbing of structured data to a central point. Frisk is able to index information in any form, and we fully appreciate that this is a difficult and challenging component to get control over in an enterprise. Next slide, please. To help with data overload, to connect and get enriched visibility of your information, we're able to actually index unstructured and structured data from any source available across the enterprise. Next slide, please. Just talking about three core platform capabilities. Index and search is the bread and butter of what Frisk does. We are able to provide a Google-like experience to search your structured, unstructured data to find information and to support business decisions being made. We also have a number of features which provide integration and automation capabilities, including intelligent document processing at the point of ingestion of information into the Frisk platform, and also the ability to retrieve documents to potentially help with a freedom of information request, or the ability to collate documents from separate repositories into one spot. And thirdly, artificial intelligence. We use machine learning and AI to extract greater value out of your unstructured data to improve decision consistency. And we do this through fuzzy matching and machine learning suggestions across large disparate data sets. Next slide, please. I'm just going to show a couple of screens to show how easy and intuitive the Frisk UI is. The screen that you see now is just an example of a simple search, which is an aggregated view of structured and unstructured data in one spot. And many of our clients, before they used Frisk, would have to log into multiple systems to be able to find the information they were looking for to support a decision. What you can see on the left-hand side is a number of cases that have matched the search, and on the right-hand side, we've then got the unstructured data that has also matched the search. And seeing that in one view is a valuable insight into a decision point in the process. Next slide, please. We also have AI capabilities that use natural language processing to actually compare information that's on the screen with other potential repositories to connect the dots. So in this example, we're using the find similar function, which essentially uses a key content relevant specific user intent intelligence, and then seamlessly searches across unstructured data silos to find similar cases that may match the case that the process worker is looking at. Next slide, please. The third example is showing the possibility of actually providing users with the indication that information they're looking for exists in a repository that they don't have access to. So our global safe search actually provides a user with the notice that what they're looking for exists somewhere else, and provides them with the ability to go and then request access to look at that data, and breaks down the silos that potentially exist between repositories of information. Next slide, please. Some of the benefits that Frisk can provide a business. A lot of benefits are around time savings. So we've estimated almost 11 minutes of time saved per activity for a client, which equated to 80 to 88 FTE per saving per annum. In another example, we've estimated 85 minutes per day on research tasks across 2,000 staff. We've also helped another client save 5 million per annum in quantified savings due to process efficiencies. And then in the call center example, we've saved 2 minutes per call for a call center that had 120,000 calls. Oop, that was my timer going off. Across 120,000 calls per annum. Finally, if you're interested in becoming a partner, please reach out. We're looking for organisations that want to add this to their armoury when it comes to data insights. And if you're a customer, we'd love to talk to you further. Thank you.